In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find distressed properties on PropWire. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to propwire.com and you should be able to see right here this part. You can enter right here the address or the city or county that you want to get the particular property. Enter right here the lead types that you want. Now, in my case, I don't have an account yet. So proceed to create an account by clicking onto the sign up option or this login option. So let's head over and do that. Once you have successfully signed up, you can see right here this. So choose right here the actual location that you want. Then click on this lead types and for this, look for distressed properties. You can scroll down and you should be able to find it right here. You can also particularly search for those properties that you would want. We have in here some empty nesters, free and clear, as well as a lot of options right here that you want. Also find right here property types as well as the price and choose right here the price range. Choose right here the beds and bath as well as modify the property filters available into this part. Now into this, just look for distressed properties by going over to the lead types. You can either choose in here some desperate landlords like this as well as hidden gems and the likes. Do take note that some parts of PropWire is only available through the paid subscription, either premium or by gold. So for this case, you can choose bankruptcies, code violations, as well as desperate landlords in order to find those distressed properties that you're looking into. Once you have done that, you should be able to find them directly from in here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon on our next video.